So here's where we are. There's Jordan over there, masking off where we put our...
I love camping.
put our canopy, which we're getting rid of because it's not in any good shape. Everything is sanded, even the whole entire roof is sanded. Everything's taped off, and you said you're starting with the storage bin lid.
Yep.
So this guy's gonna have the same stuff on top. You can see we fixed it here too, and it's on the inside, it's all fixed, because I'll show you the one that was the bad one. This guy. So hopefully it'll hold up once you put the new thing in there. Jordan's painting with the bedliner stuff, which you've already done the outside of the lid, which you can actually tell the difference.
It's starting to set. You can feel it.
Yeah. This thing looks like, as long as it works though, it looks better than it did.
It is gross, sticky, stinky stuff. $150 a gallon. But I think this is the stuff that I didn't do last time. It was just like roll it in.
Yeah.
And this roller sucks. Like little pieces of blue are coming off that.
Oh, that's not good.
Whatever.
So Jordan killed it during his furlough week.
Yep.
So this is all done being painted. I'm sorry the lighting is horrible. We're in the shade right now, but that's all painted, as well as the lid. There's a whole new seal on here, and a whole new seal on here, and then new latches, and then we got these powder coated because Jordan, the ones he ordered were not the right size and couldn't find the right size. So these are powder coated old ones, so they're not rusty anymore. But this should help. The cracks are gone. I think early on I probably showed you guys. You can kind of see them, but unless you're looking for them, you would never even notice. So good job.
Thanks. Only about 40 hours.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.